Here I have OPPO Find X, and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the upper bar, slide twice to open it fully, and then simply by tapping on power saving mode icon, you can enable it. So just tap on the battery icon, and now it's on. If you would like to switch it off, just tap on power saving one more time. You can also personalize this mode. So let's go back to the home screen. Now we have to select the settings and select the battery. Here you can easily enable this mode by tapping on the switcher, and now you can personalize it. So for example, you can decide if this mode should reduce screen brightness or no. So pick the preferable option. You can turn on or turn off auto screen off, and also you can disable background sync. You can also switch off power saving mode by tapping on this switcher. There is also an option to show battery percentage on the status bar. So once it's active, you will be able to notice battery percentage over here. And you can also pick Smart Power Saver. If you tap here, every time your battery is low, your device will save the battery. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.